We will guide you through how to make red eye effect in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for CapCut using the Windows search feature. Launch the CapCut desktop application and wait for the editor to finish loading before continuing. Create a new project or open an existing one, depending on whether you are starting a fresh edit or continuing a previous project. Import the video you want to edit and drag the video clip onto the main timeline. Click the Effects tab from the top toolbar to access the available video effects. Select the Body Effects category and wait for the Body Effects library to load completely before searching for a specific effect. Type red eye into the effects search bar and wait for the matching results to appear. Browse the available red eye effects and choose the version that best matches the style you want to create. Drag the red eye effect onto the effects track above your video clip so it is applied correctly. Adjust the duration of the effect by dragging its edges on the timeline until it covers the exact portion of the video where you want the glowing eyes to appear. Select the applied effect to access its settings in the Properties panel. Experiment with these settings carefully until the effect looks natural and fits the overall style of your video. Preview the video to ensure the red eye effect tracks and displays correctly throughout the clip. Watch the playback closely to confirm the effect stays aligned with the subject's eyes and does not drift during movement. Continue previewing the edited section after each change to verify the improvements. Once you are satisfied with the final result, watch the complete sequence from beginning to end to ensure the red eye effect blends naturally with the rest of your edit.